Imagine transforming your garden into a vibrant tapestry of colors with blooms so stunning they become the envy of your neighborhood. Yet, without the right knowledge, cultivating such beauty can be elusive. Today, we'll unlock the secrets to growing breathtaking dahlias, ensuring your garden flourishes with these magnificent flowers. Dahlias trace their roots to the highlands of Mexico and Central America. These native plants were cherished by the Aztecs for their beauty and utility. Introduced to Europe in the late 18th century, dahlias have since captivated gardeners worldwide with their diverse forms and vibrant hues. Dahlias thrive in USDA hardiness zones 8 through 11. In these regions they can be grown as perennials. Gardeners in cooler zones often treat dahlias as annuals or dig up and store the tubers during winter to protect them from frost. The dahlia family boasts an impressive array of forms and colors. There are 42 species and thousands of cultivars, with bloom sizes ranging from petite 2-inch pom-poms to massive dinner plate varieties exceeding 12 inches in diameter. This vast selection ensures a perfect dahlia for every garden aesthetic. After planting, dahlias typically take about 8 weeks to flower, with blooms appearing from mid-summer until the first frost. While individual flowers last about a week, the plant continues to produce new blooms throughout the season, offering continuous color in your garden. Planting tips. Choose a sunny location with at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Plant tubers in well-draining soil to prevent rot. Soil requirements. Dahlias prefer rich, loamy soil with a neutral pH. Amend your garden bed with organic matter like compost to enhance fertility and drainage. Once established, water deeply 2 to 3 times a week, adjusting for rainfall. Use a low-nitrogen fertilizer monthly to promote robust blooms. Tall dahlia varieties benefit from staking to support their heavy blooms and prevent stem breakage. Implement a crisscross grid staking system for optimal support. While dahlias are renowned for their visual appeal, most lack a significant scent. However, their stunning colors and forms more than compensate, making them a garden favorite. Dahlias can attract pests like aphids, slugs, and Japanese beetles. Begin protective measures as soon as you see green shoots. Regular monitoring and early intervention are key to maintaining plant health. Gardeners often worry about deer feasting on their plants. Fortunately, deer typically avoid dahlias, making them a suitable choice for areas prone to deer activity. Dahlias make excellent cut flowers. For extended vase life, cut stems in the morning, remove lower foliage, and place them in fresh water. Searing the stem ends in hot water for a few seconds can also help prolong bloom life. Beyond their beauty, dahlias were utilized by the Aztecs for medicinal purposes and as a food source. Their hollow stems were used as an early form of water conduit, and the tubers were a food source, similar to potatoes. Additionally, dahlias were believed to have medicinal properties and were used to treat epilepsy and other ailments. In the Victorian language of flowers, dahlias symbolize elegance, dignity, and commitment. They were often given as gifts to express a lasting bond, making them a popular choice for weddings and anniversaries. Different colors also carried distinct meanings. Red symbolized strength and passion, while white represented purity and focus. While dahlias are not harmful to humans, they are mildly toxic to dogs and cats. If ingested, they can cause symptoms like vomiting, diarrhea, and skin irritation. While not usually severe, it's best to keep dahlias out of reach of curious pets to avoid any digestive upset. By incorporating these insights and tips, you're well on your way to cultivating a dahlia garden that will be the pride of your landscape. Embrace the journey of growing these remarkable flowers and enjoy the vibrant transformation they bring to your outdoor space. Please check out some of my other videos on flowers. Thank you for watching. Bye now.